Welcome along people to another one of my little videos. Well, this morning is Friday the 11th of February and I am on my way down to London XL for the Carl Nash Motorcycle News Motorcycle Show. I'm going to look at all the nice new shiny stuff, see what I can see, try not to spend any money at all, and hopefully I'll bump into Teapot 1. See you after the intros. Woo! Look at that, look!
We've got an on CB750 coming in. It's probably itself about 9,000.
This is what you call a trip down memory lane. I still fit, see? Even for a 6'5" bloke, I still fit really nicely.
Could be yours.
That could be mine.
Could be.
There we go. Thanks ever so much to H&H Auctions for allowing me to sit on the 350 LC and have a little trip down memory lane.
What you have there, and you'll still end up with too much. But we spoke about it, didn't we? Like essentials. Wherever you go in the world, as long as you've got a method of payment, you've got some method of finding out where you are and where you want to go, and I would suggest have some method of communication. So for me, it's like a mobile. These days, a mobile, you can pay with it. A lot of places have contact. You'll be amazed at how many places have contactless. Sorry, have some cash on you. For sure. You can navigate with your phone as long as you've got power, you'll be able to navigate. Your phone acts as your SOS. If you ever need help, you can use your phone. What else do you need? I mean, ultimately that's it. You know, bare bones, that was all you really need. A first aid kit maybe, a little small. Factory.
Sportster. I've had a little bit of a play with that one as well. Awesome. Well, that used to be a Ducati Monster. Oh my god. Anything like that when I had it. I do, however, find it a little bit of a shame that so many R80s and R100s have been turned into bikes that look like this. There'll be none of the classic bikes left. Subjective, yeah, I know, each to their own. the motorcycle show at XL with Matt from Motorcycle City, and he is going to show me and you guys how to put a pin lock in. No pressure, man.
So, the visor's a lot more flexible than most people think, to be fair. You can hook it in, just hook your just behind that pin there we go, takes a little bit of work. Get the other side in, and then as it flexes back, it should pinch everything back in place. Sometimes though, you do need to just adjust the pins. You can just twist it there. Just twist because they're an egg shape on the inside.
Okay.
Just to make sure that you're giving them the maximum amount of room.
And that should just pull the pin lock in
so
towards
it just locks it because it's got this silicone seal around the air, and that just wants to be tight against the visor in order to maintain. Let's try that one again. There we go. Just that. If not, we can grab another pin lock. Just because they all come out of the mould slightly different. There you go, that felt much nicer. This is why if you buy a pin lock, there we go, that one fits.
So if, and I have had before, where you get a certain amount of moisture kind of goes up between the pin lock, what's going wrong?
That just means the seal's broken. So you should just be able to tighten these two, and that should just re-seal the seal. Because every time it gets, it absorbs all the moisture in your breath. It gets saturated and then dries, saturated, dries. It actually shrinks slightly. And and the pins, that's why you twist them, keep that tension in it. They should last about a year. I can do it every day, and it takes about a year.
Well, the actual pin lock?
Yeah, the pin lock itself will die after time, but yeah, about a year's time.
I never knew that.
Yeah, that's it.
See?
Because I ride
every day's a school day.
Yeah, because I'll ride in snow and rain, and so that will push my pin lock to the limit. Plus having a beard, there's not much airflow in the helmet, things like that. So you should be fine for about a minute.
Cool. Cheers, Matt. Thank you very much. That's it for another video from XL Motorcycle Show. I've had a really fantastic day. It's been a very long day. Hopefully you've enjoyed this one, people. Please leave a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Please leave a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to ding dong that bell, and that way you'll never miss another video here on the Mad Leprechaun. Take care of yourself. Until next time, people. Bye bye.